have more than
I'm greeting you.
Okay, we love you. Bye. See
Love
you.
you too. See you. We love you
Hey,
too.
he said love you too, guys. He said love you too. You see?
Hey,
Step by step. Step by step, guys. He's calling me on Snapchat now. He's calling me on Snapchat. Bye.
Hey, I'm not calling you. I'm not calling you.
Bye. He don't even want to.
Bye.
Tamara, I'm in love with you.
Yeah.
I have to talk to my Young D. Thank you so much. She's beautiful. Thank you. So, girls, be mad now. Be mad. Marsha, there is no Marsha. There is no Marsh. There's no Marsh. You know how they say in Kurdistan? They say Marsh. No, in Bosnia they say Marsh. That means go away.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know he was just talking about the $100,000 things. He was just mentioning it. Yeah, because you know my brother they're watching. My brothers they're watching.
Do I write you? Will you marry me?
Why are you so fast, dude? Choke.
إذا كحشت سيرة فلو.
Oh my
إذا
God.
عرفت شيء إسمه إذا كحشت سيرة.
أنا ترى قاعد من دنو. Chill, guys. Chill. I will not take him. Maariish. Who is she, dude? I knew they were saying Marsha.
والله بالله كيف تقرأ واجد تسكورك؟ أنا توركها.
Maariish. Who is Maariish, dude?
She's Turkey. She's Turkey girl.
She is what?
Turkish girl. Turkish girl.
And who is she to you?
She's my friend.
She's his friend, guys.
Yes.
She's
originally her father is Turkish. Her mother is in Norway. She's mixed.
She's mixed?
Yes.
How do you know her?
Because we are friends.
I mean, how do you know her?
Because we are friends.
Oh my God. How do you know her? Because we are friends. Dude, how do I know you? How did I get to know you?
Me. And my father is Italian. My mother is in Bosnia. Even me, I'm a mix. But my grandmother.
Dude, a lot of people they ask it.
But my grandmother. But my grandmother is Somali.
Take it easy, guys.
That's why I learned of Somali.
Huh?
My grandmother is Somali. Yes.
And where did you live?
Yeah. The only reason that I come in Kenya for the sake of tourism, I'm an American citizen. Are you serious? Emotional damage.
So yes. She is watching you, they say. She's watching you, dude.
When I wanna to eat a food, I come in Sweden for the sake of restaurant only. And you live in Sweden, you and Amara. Emotional damage. For the sake of every week I come in Sweden for the sake of an Italian pizza. And you live in Sweden. You are unlucky.
Okay, where do you go and shower?
Yeah. So she then mad shower for what?
Shower for what? So you don't shower?
I have a shower. What
country? Germany. What the hell?
Yeah. You said a shower? Hiya. What kind of what?
What kind of what?
ورا جيم كده حديثي حسابات سوق فتيه
أنا فوتها
ما أدنى إلى
أسبل
وأكري قبدي الصومالي يدو قبدي الصومالي
أنا كورو تبيني ما ببالشلم
دت كان اللايف كي يقول حكوا بسنو يفيرم يا ما بحنا إلا ذي ما صعنا إلا ذي كورن ما فاهمين أنت هنا إنك كورن والله وكحما والله
أوف
You talk about shower.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. Not bad. I have a shower. But my toilet is my toilet is too big. It's like a hole of wooden hole. Three. I have a three. I love to شرخ days مع الله في إنجليز. What is the name of? It's like that.
What the hell? What's that?
Shower water.
Guys, do you even know what the hell that means? Not me. No idea. Where is Fahi today?
Hi. Oh, some of my people, they said, shower means wine. No.
That's a big lie.
That's a big lie. She never said champagne. She said shower. Learn English. Jealous people.
Oh my god! This dude, yo. Oh my god. So.
Let me ask you one question.
That much, huh?
Let me ask you one question. You play Fai, which is crazy, me and Fai.
Between you and Fahi?
Who's crazy?
What do you mean crazy? Crazy how?
Crazy is the one who
Fahi.
talk about everything.
You talk about everything. He's gonna make a video out of this, guys. He's gonna make a video.
Do you remember
Yes, thank
the
you.
last time the last time when I used your sound?
Yeah, I know. I remember. GS, thank you. I remember. You have never had that much viewers, right?
Yeah.
You have never had that much viewers, right?
Look, my followers. I read 1 million remaining.
It must be hard. Listen, check. They say check. The Somali people, when they go on my guest, they say, "Where is?"
You love my name just the way I am. Okay, say.
Okay, listen, Jack. How does it feel to be famous?
Yeah, famous is good because a lot of girls and boys running behind me and they say we love you. That's amazing. Because they running behind me like hyena. Sometimes I said these people they will eat me because they love me too much. Oh, thank you, my people. Okay. Ask me a question, Mr. Mosquito, Mrs. Mosquito.
Mosquito, oh my god, you! Hi. Okay, listen, how old are you, Jack?
Although my
the real age.
No, age is a number. I'm not afraid the age. I'm 23 years old.
Huh?
23 years old. Look,
that's a big lie there, guys. That's a big lie, guys. That's a big lie.
Hey, sweetie, don't say that. Shh. I'm 23 years old.
So you mean I'm older than you? That's Bobo.
How much?
In your dream.
Hiya! Challenge coming.
He's not 23, guys. He's not 23. Hell no, he's not.
Show you my certificate of birth. Hiya!
How old is he? How old are you? For real, how old are you, dude?
Look, gabar habar
He is
gidir
at
oo
least
faqriya wallahi
29.
nolosheeda ma arkin oo fool xun nolosheeda ma
Thank you.
arkin la ilaaha illa allah xoog badana gabadh la ilaaha ka iib heji leeb lagu dhahay no
I think
element
he's 20, 29,
23.
No way.
Okay, ask me another question. How old are you?
24.
You older than 1 year.
You older than me. Everybody knows you just lying.
24.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want a truth or lie?
Okay.
I swear I'm 26 years old.
You swear?
Yes.
You can't
Yes.
lie if you swear, dude.
Yes. 26 years old.
Yeah, that means you're older than me. It doesn't matter. You're older than me.
2. Age is a number. Don't worry about that.
So much.
Don't worry about that. Age is a number.
I didn't say anything. I mean, I'm just quiet.
No, 27 جرى دا عاد مركا كان لا إله إلا الله ولي لا إلا بات when I upcoming to August I will reach 26 20 August I become 26
So you're not
No,
26 yet?
now
Okay.
remaining only monthly.
Okay, we have next question. Are you single?
Yes, I'm single ولي دارسن تعبان إن شاء الله
We should know, guys. Don't trust him. Okay.
I'm single سكرات
Are you single?
دي مرة نفتك اللي عرفت. Yes, I'm single.
أنا وين وشات?
Yes.
Not, dude.
I
Everybody
don't
say
have
you're
a
not.
wife. I don't have. You will see my baby if I wasn't
Guys,
single.
tell me questions, and I'll ask him.
Don't ask a question, Somali people.
Why are you
Yes.
afraid? Next question. No, not that kind of, because I don't know who that is. Who that is, I don't know. So I will not ask him that question, guys.
Tamara, every time I defeat you, even all my gifters, they sleep.
Mine also, they're sleeping. They're up midnight.
Can we play a strong match? Prepare yourself and I prepare myself. How many
Yeah,
give
we
you?
can.
How many weeks that you want? Do you want 2 days or 3 days?
Is it one and done? One and done?
Yeah.
We play one game, one big game.
Let me ask you one question. Are you a single?
Should I answer this question, guys?
Yes, answer. Emotional damage.
No, yes, no.
Yes, no, Yanini. Take one decision. Are you a single?
Yes.
You are single. Okay, not bad. Emotional damage. Gorilla.
What the hell?
Why you choose single life? Don't be scared. Don't be scared of the one you look at you. Don't be scared.
What the hell are you? Why the hell are you asking me that question? You can answer it by yourself. Why are you single, dude? I asked you that question and you didn't answer.
I told you. For the sake of
you didn't
financial problem. Because my money is too much. I just wanna the one who keep my money. I never trust the girls because they like money too much. They eat my money. So I wanna the one who care my money like happy.
Dude, what the hell? You talk too much. You talk too much. You talk too much, dude.
You don't like the truth. You don't like the truth.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why are you single? You didn't tell us. You didn't tell us.
The only reason that I'm single is I like and the girl who have 3 behavior.
Huh?
the one I choose is the girl who have 3 behavior.
Thank you.
So
Daddy, thank you.
the one who respect my words. For example, I said, did things I don't like it, please respect me. If she respect me like that, I like that lady. Because when the girl respect you, your words, she's a beautiful lady, clean heart. Another girl is, and I like the girl who love me too much. When other people saying, do you love money or your girlfriend? She said, I love my boyfriend more than money. Because I like the girls say money is a paper. Number 3 is, I mean, the girls who don't love money. Number 3 is the girls who always love my family. Because when the person loves your family, he loves you too much. Yes.
Number 4.
I'm finding that lady.
Okay, number 4. What's number 4?
Number 4 is the girl who like timing. Do you know timing?
What do you mean?
The
timing?
girl who, when I come to the house, the girl saying, baby, let us go to the out. Let us take time for outing, coming to the malls, taking shopping, eating, something like that. The girl who loves timing. Do you know timing? I come the house, she give me a food and she sleep. I don't like that lady.
Number 5. Okay. Number 5.
Number 5, what I like is the girl give me a surprise gift. Not only the expensive one, but surprise gift is using nice word is a gift.
Thank you.
Right?
Besta.
Okay? Surprise gift. Surprise gift. For example, she go to the malls and she see a nice t-shirt and said, my husband and my boyfriend, she deserve this t-shirt. And she take me and t-shirt. I bring to you this t-shirt. Something like she show me much love. Okay.
Okay.
Number 5.
Okay. Second question is, what will you? I mean, 5 is enough, right? I mean, we can go to 20.
It's enough.
Yeah, 5 enough. Okay, we were listening. Everybody was listening. Okay, the next question is, it is, what will you give her back? What will you give her back? 5 things you will give her back. Like you said, she have to do this. I want her to do this.
So,
what will you give her
myself, according to myself, the girl
Thank you,
I marry, in the name of God, I treat her like my mom. Because my mom, I love her. Yes. I care her like my sister. And I respect her like my friend. I drink her like water. I take her decision like my father. Number 6, I never marry a girl behind her.
What?
For example, I marry her, I never cheat her to marry another lady. No, ever. Because let me tell you,
you will only have one
forever.
Wife. One wife.
Forever.
That's enough.
Forever. Let me tell you one thing. Some men they like more than 2 wives. But let me tell you one thing. Do you know the lemon?
The
Do you
lemon,
know the lemon?
Yeah.
Lemon have 2 colors, yellow and the green, right? But the taste is equal, right? The color is different, but the taste is equal. So woman is like lemon. They have more color in face, but according to life, they are equal. That's why I marry only one girl. Okay? If you don't understand,
Okay.
go to the Google and find translation.
Oh, and what number are we now in, guys? Number 4 or 5? Okay, next.
So what?
Is that
Number
it?
6.
That's it? That's it?
So, and
You
3
said you will
things.
take a decision like her father. You will take her decisions. You'll make her decisions. You said something like that.
But I hate three kind of girls. The girl who love money too much. I don't like it. Even
Yeah,
I don't like to
you said
become
that. Yeah.
even I don't like to become a friend. The girl is
Uh-huh.
always like money. Number two is and the girls have more friends in a man. More than 20.
She have a lot of friends which are guys.
Because
Okay.
when they learn more culture about man, she deal with you like a man.
Okay. Oh my God.
Because, for example, you have more than 6 or 7 boys in your friend, right? You addicted them culture, and then you start to deal with like a man.
No, that's totally
number 3.
not true.
Number
That's
3.
not true.
Number 3. Let me tell you. Number 3 is, and I don't like the girl who don't have humanity. I don't like it. Without kindness, heartless. I don't like it. For example, let me tell you one thing. She loves me. For example, she treat me well. But when my friends come to my house and my family, she never treat me like me. That's three kind of woman that I don't like it.
Number, thank you so much. But I have one other question, and it is,
so the answer is you.
Huh?
Yeah.
What did you say? I mean, I have one other question, and it is like, don't you think in relationships, it's your opinion, don't you think that you should just go with the flow if you love her? I don't think you will have that kind of expectations because that's too much. I mean, you have a lot of expectations.
Asking me, say.
Did you hear what I said?
So asking me.
I said.
Someone calling me.
You have, for me, I mean, it's my opinion. You have too much. How can I say it? You have too much, that you want her to do. You know what I mean? I'm listening. Like, still, though, you said I will make her decisions. That's not something you will give her back. You know what I mean?
For what? I respect her decision, if it's possible, huh?
You have too much expectations. You have too much expectation. You know what I mean? You have a lot of expectations on her. You know what I mean?
Oh, sometimes
she have to treat me like this. You said she have to treat me like this. Like, for me, if I say like my man, he have to treat me like this. He have to do this, and he have to do this, and he have to do this. But I mean, like, we, in the end of the day, we all are human beings, and
what I'm
it's too much expectations. Actually,
no. For what I'm talking about is, I said.
Sad, but
if she's sick, I don't know. That's why I respect her decision. She said, and I don't like my neighbor because they are so rude. Please, I need another place. That's why I respect her decision. But if she said out of topic, She said, never go your parents' house. That's not decision. That's idiot.
Oh my god. You crazy.
Decision is if it is possible. What I'm talking about. So, and you tell me, what kind of man that you like?
Actually, I don't have that much as you. I don't have that much expectations. You know, when I see him, when I get to know him, when it's time, I will pick him. I will take him. I don't have that much expectation. I don't have that much expectation. But I want someone who fears God. That's very important for me. Do you hear me, dude?
You just only as if it's man only.
I said I only have one expectation.
For what?
That he fears God. That's the only thing.
He's not Master Cheater. You don't like it, Master Cheater.
A cheater.
Master Cheater.
What's Mr. Jita?
The one who fear Allah. He don't know. He don't like to cheat. Ladies, that's why you choose, right?
I choose someone who fears God, dude. That's important for me.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
That's very important. And after that, actually, I don't care how, if you're tall, if you're short, if you're big, if you have muscles, if you have, I don't give a shit. I don't care. I swear to God, I don't care. I don't care.
If he have a bad behavior, so if he have bad behavior,
no, bad behavior, of course, bad behavior. There's no one who want to have bad behavior. But when someone get interested in me, for example, a guy, Jack, let's say there is one guy, his name is Seyum, and Seyum, he likes me, and then Jay, thank you so much. Seyum, he likes me. He will never show me his bad behaviors until he have me. You know what I mean?
Yes, he show you
he will
the
do everything.
He
will do everything to make sure that I feel good, I feel safe and everything. And when he have me, if he shows me bad behavior, I will try to talk to him. I will try my best to change that thing. But if it's not possible, then we can't.
You know,
other than that, because I don't want him to have that much expectations of me, because I just want.
Let me tell you one thing: too much expectation can treat your future life. That's what I believe. Because
I can have a lot of, I can have a lot of expectations on me, but I can't have expectations on other person if he's not really mine. You know what I mean? So I can sit here and tell you. A lot of girls, Jack, they say, I want to have a tall guy. I want to have a guy who respects me. I want to have a guy who makes me laugh. I want to have a guy like this. I want to have a guy like this. I want to have a guy who dress like this. I want to have a guy who have stable economy. I want to have a guy who have a lot of money. I want to have a guy with... Nobody can get that, dude. That's not real life. That's social media.
No. And according to in a life person, life for... It's better to have a more choice, because see, when the girl, for example, now I talk about 6 behavior. If she have 3, you can add in a personality for other 3, because she's a human being, right? Even me, it's not possible to a girl treat her 100% because I'm a human being. I know that, but the expectation is better than 0 decision. Some people, when they see a beautiful lady, at least they decide to seduce her, and after 1 month, after 2 months, to marry her without decision. But if you have a personal plan, you will get the real player.
No, I don't think so. Actually, I don't think so. I think if you have too much expectations and that person, that girl you are with, with doesn't live up to your expectations, you will be so disappointed, and then
But
it will be a
at least
conflict. It will be a conflict, dude. It's just it's
But
better to have minimum. You can minimize your expectations, and instead,
yes,
if you really love her, try to build up something so that she can reach your expectations. She can live up to your expectations, because if you already have that much expectations, maybe she can't be that person for you. You know what I mean? And then you will be
but
disappointed, and then you will start arguing or anything. No way. I will not have that much expectations.
but three things is important. But three things is important to have every girl. Number two is to respect your parents. Isn't it? Number one. Number three is to respect you, because you are her husband. Number three is to care you. If she don't have three and believe God, would you do that? For example, a man. I'm a man. I don't like your family. I don't like to treat you, and I don't respect you. But I love my God. So what kind of decision?
I don't know, dude. You shouldn't expect that much of anyone in this world, dude, because that's too much. That's too much expectation. Oh my god, he has so much list, yo. He will never find that kind of girl. Trust me, guys. He will never find that girl.
Samara,
What the hell?
let us play last game. Let us play last game. Tonight it's amazing because you told me your private behavior, but
GS, thank you so much. Dude, you have too much expectations. That's not
yes, good. I send too much flow. Gift.
GS, thank you so much. But like, guys, listen. I was trying to talk to him. He didn't know anything about me, but you find something, guys. Girls, listen to this guy. He have a lot of expectations, dude.
Yes.
I mean, girl, be ready. Be ready to live up that like expectation.
When you have more expectation, more girls will follow you, because she listen only one behavior of her kind of behavior, and she said, Karen, it's your behavior, follow him. That's why.
Love you too.
Yeah.
Thank you, JS. JS, oh my god, JS, thank you so much.
The more
you have too much expectation, dude. Oh my god.
The more have more expectation, the more you get more customer. When you wanna, so let me tell you, you get
every year you will be single. No, don't say that.
Let me tell you one thing. Nice. Let me tell you one thing. You have a small shop. You know, if you have a small shop, you will get few customer. But if you have a supermarket, you will get more customer. When you have a more expectation, you are the owner of supermarket. But when you are a little expectation like you have a small shop, your customer become one.
But you know, when it's about love, I only need one customer. I don't need a lot of people. I just need one man.
If you want
to have 100 of customers, dude, you will have a problem, dude. You will have a big problem, because with many girls you have a lot of problems. I only need one man.
Only girls. I advise one thing, and to my experience, girls I give one advice. Manis I give one advice. That advice is, when you are a man, seduce only one girl. Because manis always they have a hard heart. But when you are a girl, seduce more than 4. Because girls always have a soft heart. They are emotional always. Because if someone says you're beautiful, you're amazing, I will build you a nice house, I will buy you a nice car, immediately it is possible. Not all the girls, some girls to believe that man because they are emotional, they have a soft heart. That's why I'm saying when you are a girl, seduce more than 4 boys. You will get the right person. Because
Guys.
man is there always acting. You don't know that? They are always acting. But the girls, they don't know acting. The reality is when the girl loved the money, she said, I love the money. When she loved a tall man, she said, I like tall man. But when the man is love a girl, if you don't love, for example, if I don't love a girl, some man is they act like you are so beautiful because he wanna something. Always man is they act. Pure heart is a girl's. That's what I believe to my experience.
I have 2 things to say, guys. I have 2 things to say. Marsha, or whatever her name is, that means she live up to this kind of expectations. That's good for you guys. I'm so happy for you guys. She lives up to like hundreds of expectations. Man, what the hell? Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, guys, we won twice emotional damage to this guy, and the guy who did this to you, his name is GS. Emotional damage, dude. Bye. Emotional damage, Jack. Go to sleep. So for every girl in there in Jack's life right now, take a guys. His expectations are very high.
Tell your people Jack have a supermarket. You can find
they're
more
listening.
expectation.
Jag saknar det också. To have more expectations.
To get a more customer.
How you feeling? Jack, how you feeling?
For what?
Dude, you have 1,100 customers with 1 rose. And he's talking about customers, guys. And
because I need a gorilla. Gorilla
1,000 people, guys.
أصحابته باي باي أنا إذن سلامة شرف إكرام قرع لي نقصه بعدي يا وجعلنا الليل اللباسة وجعلنا النهار معاش الله مالين واي ما مدى صبوقنا emotional damage. I want to visit to my mom. I'm greeting you. I never seen such beautiful lady in Ethiopian like you. I'm saying I always like your cute smile. There's some kind of specific for you. And
thank you.
Bye,
you know, you already have girlfriend, dude. Stay with her. Stay with her. Don't come here. Don't come here. Because my customer, he's only 1.
Oh, the one who?
I only have 1 customer. I
have
need
more
100.
expectation. Yeah, more than 100.
He have more than
I'm
100.
greeting you.
Okay, we love you. Bye. See
love
you.
You too. See you. We love you
hey,
too.
He said love you too, guys. He said love you too. You see?
Hey,
step by step. Step by step, guys. He's calling me on Snapchat now. He's calling me on Snapchat. Bye.
Hey, I'm not calling you. I'm not calling you.
He don't even want to.